we are also testing a foundation. The foundation is the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow foundation. So it's a natural medium coverage. Believe it or not, my face is like totally broken out and it actually looks pretty good. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back, So today is Sunday and I have to go out for a little bit, but I have a hard time looking at the light. It's because my contact is giving me nothing but trouble. My right contact. Doesn't look really different on the camera, but it is a little bit different. Alright, so the tinted moisturizer we're going to use today is the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow. Fresh, dewy makeup. Natural medium coverage, long-lasting, oil-free. This is in honey. And it may be a little bit dark. Let's see. I was going to put primer on, but then I decided not to. Because this is a tinted moisturizer, I was like, kind of meant to go down into your pores anyway. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this a lot. I really like this. See how it dries down. See how it dries down. We're not gonna put any powder on it. I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit of my Givenchy concealer just right under that eye. Yeah, gonna kind of just smudge that in. Oh yeah, liking this already. It's drying up pretty well. We'll go ahead and do our brows while we're waiting for that. All right, beauties, that is 2 days. We have not set this face with powder. It's doing pretty good. It feels a little bit tacky underneath my chin, but it's all right. The rest of it is doing fabulously. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face with the Cover FX illuminating setting spray. We'll put a little bit of Wax Blast in our hair, because I may go see my hairdresser. Not for a cut or anything, but you know, I may pop in the outfit, which means I will see her, and I don't want her being like, Susan, what have you done to your hair? Right, Jessie? All right, so this is not the finished look because I do not like my brows. Dang it. Swear to God, I'm getting a black pomade. Better? Damn it. I think it's dried out on me. So I'm not getting the same color I normally would get. Because I just went into a different part of it and got a little bit darker. It's a little bit more extreme, but I'm happier. Happier for now. Guys and gals. Alright, so this is the finished look and our sample from YSL on the Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation. So we'll come back and do some check-ins throughout the day, and I'll let you know how it's holding up. Thank you guys so much. Mwah. Hey everybody. So I don't know if you can see because the light is horrible. Let's go in the other room. But it's like 7 o'clock now, something like that. And yeah. So the foundation is holding up pretty good except for on my nose, but I've been like rubbing my face because I don't feel good. But yeah, so I do like the foundation. I'm going to give it another try this week at work, which will be a better test. Ooh, light's not good. All right, so yeah, I'm sorry I don't feel good, and I want to go wash my face. All right, I'll see you guys later.